Dye corn. Ito yung flower dye. Oh, thank you naman so much, guys, ha? Thank you, dye. Ganda-ganda, guys. Thank you. Ang dami mong padala, dye. Thank you. Here's ang auntie unboxing from Germany. Ayan, meron tayong cup. Sombrero, meron tayong bonus, meron tayong sunflower, diamond ball pen, may bell ball pen, and then diamond. Tapos meron tayong chocolate, ayan, meron tayong sando, guys, and then meron tayong shawl, and of course my chocolate, more chocolate, ayan, may chocolate, ayan, chocolate, guys, ayan, from Germany. Tapos meron tayong tulips, guys. Ito yung flower na request ko kay Gore. Ayan, meron tayong pot. Ayan yung pot. More chocolate. Ayan. Meron tayong sando, guys. May shawl. Ayan. So, ayan. Yan na yan, guys. Thank you, Day. Chocolate. Ayan, chocolate. Ito yung shawl, dalawang sando. Tapos may cup. Ayan. Ito yung bonnet. Bonnet na dalawa. Tatlong bonnet. Tapos may sunflower. So, meron mga ball pen. So, yan lang. At meron pa tayong bag. Yan, ito yung bag. So, thank you, Gore. Sa iyong padala dyan. Yung bonggang-bonggang.